Christine Robinson here again with the second video in the series of the 5-step blueprint that was, to writing your book fast. So in this series of videos I'm taking you through 5 steps to being able to write your book fast. I mentioned in the previous video, if you haven't actually seen the first video, you need to go and watch that now because this is the second part to that video. So this is plan number 2. And in that first video I mentioned how I've been working with 15 most amazing people and teaching them how to write their book fast. So we did a virtual boot camp yesterday and we've got another one coming up next Sunday, and by the end of that time they will have their book written. So in 2 days they will have their book written. And that is only, you can do it faster. That's only because of the time that they're taking out to do everything else that they have on their schedule. So in this second video, which is still the second part of plan, which is still the first step, then what we're going to look at is research. So you've looked at what your market is, your reason, your why, the who, and the what. We started on the what. So now it's really taking all the information that you found out from your ideal audience, from your ideal client, and now continuing on through and doing some research. So what you need to do for your research, you need to use things like Google Keyword Planner. I'm not going to explain here, there's lots of YouTube videos showing you how to do that. So use Google Keyword Planner, use Facebook, use YouTube, and use obviously just the Google search bar. When you type some words in, you will get the auto predicted drop down of what people are actually searching for. Obviously one of the smartest things are looking for what people are actually looking to buy, or the problems they're looking to solve. So in this section, what you're researching for is actually what is their pain point. You should have found that out by now. And what's their pleasure, where do they want to go? People are more likely to move away from pain than they will do to get to pleasure. Oh yes, the other place for you to go and look is on Amazon itself. So have a look through the categories and the categories, where you're likely to be putting your book, what's your topic, and have a look through there. Also have a look, on the bookshelves. If you're in a bookstore, have a look around the bookshelves. But also you can go and look, magazines are a great place. Look in magazines, and especially when the next part we're going to discuss is your title. So magazines are a great place. They use fantastic headlines and titles in their articles and what have you. Really eye-grabbing and really attention-grabbing, or disruption. They disrupt you from what you're doing and make you look at it. So that's the idea of what you need to get. So the next part of this plan, of this video, is tantalizing titles. So you want to make your titles as sexy as anything, because you say don't judge a book by its cover, but everyone does. I know when I'm in a bookstore, or whether I'm online or in a bookstore, if you're looking at the cover and it's the title and it's also the image, is it going to attract you? Is it going to attract your ideal client? Okay, so in the next video I'm going to talk more about those titles. So coming up in video 3, remember to go over to my Facebook page, to facebook.com/like-Christine, and like that page and follow it. All the videos are going to be showing up in there, and you will get them ahead of anyone else. The other place to go and download, so click and download the blueprint. So you've got an A4 two-sided PDF of this, and that is bit.ly/author blueprint. So bit.ly/author blueprint. And make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel here, because obviously that's where you're going to get a lot of videos. Okay, see you soon.